And good afternoon, everyone. I'm SWKSS Chief Name and Cloud, and this is a severe weather update, severe weather coverage. Already this afternoon, we did not have this planned for tonight. This all kind of came out of nowhere for us across the region. Already experiencing some strong thunderstorms this afternoon down in Clarksville. This basically line near stationary line is draped across western Kentucky into central Kentucky right now. We do have one severe thunderstorm warning in our region. Let me correct this. We had two warnings, now we're down to one. Alright, so let's take a look at the warning right now that we do have. This is up near the Madisonville area, near just east of the Providence area. Did have a severe thunderstorm warning for 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. That's in effect for another 5 minutes. In this small area right here, the storm's pretty much moved out of that area to the north, up near the Dixon area. Let's take a look at the warning right now, the newest warning that's come out. This is for northwestern Hopkins County and northwestern Kentucky, central Webster County, and northwestern Kentucky until 7:15. At 6:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dixon or near Providence, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard's going to be 60-mile-an-hour wind gust and quarter-size hail. With this, Dixon and Nebo included in that warning. Hail threat of 1-inch hail is radar indicated, and 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. A lot of hail with these storms already reported. As I said, hail reported earlier this evening down in the Clarksville area. Come as a surprise to a lot of people. This was not outlined by the Storm Prediction Center in Norman this morning. Looks like 100% chance of hail with this storm. Severe hail, a 60% chance of severe hail. Max hail size 1.25 inches in diameter. This storm pushing up to the north at about 15 miles an hour, near stationary almost, though. We're watching this storm near the Providence area in Kentucky. Scrolling down, shower thunderstorm activity popping just to the east of Cadiz, near the Trigg Christian County line, up near Cerulean, Kentucky. That's stressing up through Penarol Forest here, the Christian Trigg County line, and going to be moving up through the Arlington area shortly. That area of the line is not severe at this point. Another strong cell here just near Uniontown. That's got a special weather statement on it. At 6:38 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm along the line extending from near Uniontown, near Dixon, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. This is a wind gust of 40 miles an hour possible and half-inch hail with that cell. Other areas include Henderson, Uniontown, and Waverly. So that is a special weather statement there. Just have the one severe thunderstorm warning again. That is for northwestern Hopkins County as well as central Webster County until 7:15. So we do have a flood advisory here for the Clarksville area. Let's see here. This is until 8:15 this evening. At 5:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to near stationary thunderstorm. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly, and the flood advisory area between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. This is for near the Clarksville and Woodlawn area down in Tennessee. Getting some power outages up near the Madisonville area. Right now tracking 344 people without power due to that severe thunderstorm warning cells that's moving up. Looks like they have updated that warning. Yes, just got an update on the warning for Webster County. It's no longer Hopkins, this Webster County until 7:15. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dixon, or 7 miles northeast of Providence, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Again, still looks like 60 mile an hour wind gust and quarter-size hail possible with that storm still. Let's take a look at the winds in this. Our res velocity here. I'm going to swap over to my Fort Campbell radar here. Nope, I need to stay at Paducah. I am not seeing, as far as on radar Omega, what the National Weather Service is seeing there, apparently. I'm looking like 13 mile an hour winds, but they could be seeing a little bit more than what I am with their radar. No doubt about the hail, but wind right now, I'm not seeing much evidence of that, but I'm not saying that they're not seeing something differently. So again, tracking 344 customers without power in Hopkins County. Power did blink here in eastern Trigg County as we were coming online just a while ago, but just flashed here at my place. So this is near Cerulean here, 50% chance of hail with that storm. A penny-sized hail there, possible with that. Still just have the one severe thunderstorm warning and a special weather statement up here near Henderson. Did get an update on that. At 6:38 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm along the line extending from near Uniontown to near Breckenridge Center to near Dixon, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. This is a hazard of wind gusts that's 40 mile an hour and half-inch hail. This includes Henderson, Breckenridge, Uniontown, and Waverly. And the warning for Webster County still in effect for another 28 minutes. So I'm going to go back in and see if I see any wind here. I'm just not seeing it. I'm not saying again, that's what the National Weather Service is saying. I'll put this all in motion for you. This line pretty much firing up out of nowhere. I started some sales down here in Clarksville earlier, and it looks like a stationary front basically just firing this off this evening. This is likely going to push further to the north and east as the afternoon and evening wears on. Near stationary though, it's not moving very fast. Do have a 40% chance of thunderstorms this evening Again, none of that was outlined by the Storm Prediction Center. Let me actually minimize you and see if we have an update from them of any kind. Yeah, so the only well out to the west, we have one marginal risk of severe thunderstorms. Nothing in our area outlined for today. Still from the Storm Prediction Center. Alright, looks like we have another special weather statement. They are not going to extend that severe thunderstorm warning and disissuing a special weather statement with that. At 6:49, a Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm along the line extending from 7 miles southeast at Breckenridge Center to near Dixon, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard is 40 mile an hour wind gust and half-inch hail. This includes Dixon and Sturgis. So, special weather statement extending that severe thunderstorm warning. Looks like they canceled the severe thunderstorm warning and went with the special weather statement. Before I let you go, let's come down here. I'm actually going to update this. And so, strong cell here near the Buffalo and Cerulean area. Another strong cell south of Cerulean. That's going to be crossing I-24 shortly. And another cell kind of trying to get its act together down here near Roaring Springs and Lafayette, moving into Christian County. So, we just have the special weather statements that are to the north, far northern parts of the SWKSS region. Nothing really to talk about in our central parts. We'll keep an eye on things for you, come back live if we need to, but as of right now, since there's no warnings issued across the region, we will let you go, and we'll come back on as needed this afternoon and evening.